thoughts. Who is this? Hey, that's Nas. Wagwan fam.
What, Queenie?
Wagwan, how far you reach? What number you at?
Number 10, number 10.
And I'm somebody right behind them, they're number 11. I'm at number 11 star.
Guys, Queenie, they're behind me, guys.
Come on, let's get someone else.
We should do a one-on-one battle, come now.
Alright, if I hang on, I call it back, if I jump out, if I make them do a back clip, that's 10 I'm at the 11.
Pick up yourself, Yvette, yeah?
If I soon call it back, come.
Alright, then
come
in.
Eh?
Alright, come.
Come on.
Number 10 and number 11, guys. Come
on, guys. Number 10 and number 11 are the rising star. Big up on yourself. TGS TV, big up yourself. Yeah, I'm boxing glove. Oh my God, let's send the boxing glove them here.
Them a top glove already, guys. Come in.
The glove today in the last 40 seconds.
Come in, side. Come in.
Hello? Taps and Roses. I saw me I go, hello?
Come in, my side. Taps and Roses. Taps and Roses. Don't be over here just to be.
Yeah, man. Me there go around. Play a game.
Taps and Roses, guys.
Taps and Roses, my team. Oh my God.
Yes, G. Lulu.
Come on, diddle. The cat and the figure. The cow jump over the moon. The little dog laugh to see such a fun and the dish run away with the scoots. Come on, Queenie! 10 and number 11. Oh my God.
Guys, come top up his screen, guys. I'm sending the Roses so we can unlock the times too, guys. Come in. Come in, my side.
Come on, my team. Come on, the next 20 minutes, we have a match. Come on, my team. Come on.
Let's go.
Number 9. Come on, number 9, guys. Come on, my team. Number 9 in the rising star for the Queen. My clean team. Number 9. Speed.
Yes, guys,
come on, Mariah, crazy. Speed. Share the live.
I want everybody there.
And that man says, share the live. Them soon come.
Guys.
Share the live, guys. Come on, guys. Share the live. 4 roses. 3 more roses, my team. Yes, my team. 2 more.
Come on, guys. 2 more, guys. Yes, bro. Yes, guys. Team. 2 more, guys. Come in,
my team. Come on.
Come in, guys. 1 more, guys. Yes, Amina. Come in. 1 more, guys.
Come on, my team. Come on. I'm not even asking.
1 more, guys. Come in. 1 more, guys. Come. Catch your speed, my team. Come on,
my team. 1 more.
Come on.
What? They're not catching it.
Oh my God.
I didn't catch it either. Come on, taps and roses.
Right.
Come on, my team.
Taps
are very important. Tap.
Oh my goodness, guys. Come in.
Come on, my team. Come on. Number team, my day 11 and number 10. Come on, my team. Come on.
Yes, Hannah.
Jesus Christ, my team. Come on, my team. What no can do? Taps and roses.
Come on,
tap. Come on, my team. Push up the square. My team.
Come in, guys. Share out live, guys.
Deborah, big up yourself. Thanks for your perfume. Come on, my team. I'm not do well. Push up, tap. I'm not seeing no tapping. I'm not have to tap. Remember that. Tap. Not today, number 10, I'm there, number 11. Come on, guys. I want to reach number 9, fam. Number 9. Come on, we're ranking, fam. Rising star.
Come on, we're ranking, guys.
Come on, taps and roses. Come on, come share the live, guys.
Double tap. Come in. Let's go.
Remember your official match. FIFA is going to... Come on, my team.
You got an official max plan?
Yeah, I have a match in 20 minutes. 15 minutes. Come on, my team. Taps and roses. Come on.
Guys, come in. We have to run. We left Queenie at number 7, guys.
Come on, my team. Wanna there. Wanna make not to come and not to know far.
You wanna arrange a battle tomorrow, a proper one?
Tomorrow, I have show tomorrow at Pampate.
Watch ya.
Watch ya, kuya.
Celebrity, I'm sorry.
What artist?
Artist,
Girl power.
artist.
Queen power.
Right, that's so good, right?
Yeah, let me roll out tomorrow. Not till tomorrow. By tomorrow, you're supposed to reach number 3. I'm there right there, so come on, man.
Right, that's all.
Come on, my team. Where work this? Come on.
Come in, guys. Work together.
Let me get that one there. Let me make you win that one here.
Yeah, man. You got a match in 20 minutes.
Jesus Christ, God Almighty, Ali. How would that somebody name? Ali. Trophy, pick up your damn self. How would that be just get? Oh my God, what was that? Happy weekend.
20K. Boombat.
Happy weekend. Come on, my team. Crazy. You know my win.
That is right, social media influence, that is right. You are fight me, the queen we ever like, kiss the darkest
Yeah.
like, we're the Christ.
Right, that's all. Right, that's all.
So we're the Christ, come in and answer that. You don't know what it means, just Google that, queen talk, anything.
Alright.
That's it, crazy.
Good luck with the match, yeah?
Up like heaven, we're glad to see that queen. We have the queen in the house.
Good luck with the match, Queen.
And I lead trophy 180. Big up your damn self. Lucy Neds. What I got to lose. Big up on your damn self. Come on, my team. Taps and roses. Tap, 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 tap. My team. Tap, tap.
Taps and roses, guys. Taps and roses. Don't be in here just to be
My team. Tap my nose. Tap, 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 tap on my nose. Tap, 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 tap my nose. Tap, 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 tap. Tap those. Tap, 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 tap my nose. Tap, 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 tap. Double tap, tap on my nose. Tap, 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 tap. Those tap, tap, tap my nose. 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 Tap, 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 tap my nose. My team. Tap, 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 tap. Double tap, 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 double tap. If you tap, scream. If you double tap. If you don't tap well, F that. If you tap, scream. If you double tap. If you don't tap well, F that. Tick tack, taps and roses. Tick tack, taps and roses. Beggy, 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 tick tack. Beggy, 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 tick tack. Beggar like, beggar share, beggar lion. If you tap, scream. If you double tap, double tap. If you tap, scream. If you double tap. Speed, 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 speed. Come on, my team, catch the speed, speed, speed. Share the live, share the live, share the live.
Come on, guys. Times 2, guys. Let's work together.
Share the live, okay? Please and thanks. Share the live. Catch the speed, my team. Catch the speed, my team. Come on. Come on, catch the speed. Come on, come on. One cocoa full basket. Come on. Every little, come on. Come on. Remember me, I'm not here ranking over there. Number 11, if they are 10. Oh my God, this is crazy, though.
Crazy.
Number 10 and number 11. Right. 4 roses, guys. 4 roses, my team.
You're going to go flying past me, man.
No, not flying nowhere, fam. We're hearing this thing together, fam. Come on, team. 10 and 11, that's our energy. Come on, my team. Taps and roses, taps and roses.
Guys, 3 more roses, guys.
Come on, guys. Taps and roses. Oh, man, I black my phone.
And I just,
guys.
You know, I just start my live. That's why it's warming up.
Come on, warming up. Come on, guys. Number 10 and number 11, come on, we're back. All of my gifts are there, big up all of my tapper. All who share the live, all who come to play the game with Queenie, I appreciate you. All big up on the damn set. Even though I'm not call out to the name individually, okay? This is the match I play by. Yes, this one, darling, this one.
Guys, Queenie, no one.
I'm ranking on this one.
Guys, come in.
Yeah, this is the one. I've been ranking. The damn sequin close at 9. They look at something them I joke my star. I mean, I have no time for them stiff clothes, you know. So 9, fam. Listen, them look at something.
I have no time for them stiff clothes.
Within a 9, man. Why them say beauty is pain? No pain, no gain.
Don't give me no joke.
No pain, no gain. I was playing the game.
Yeah, it's 4 minutes.
That
4 minutes.
Man. Who this man playing, man? Clinton Wallace,
Taps and roses.
I'm not paying a man because you know subscribe to my Orange Art to be a team member. So please take my Orange Art to be a team member, Clinton, and you get acknowledged more. All of the right crazy them when you see with Orange Art, you click the Orange Art and you become a team member. So you're saying that I'm not paying in your mind, Clinton Wallace. Go click the Orange Art, please, and thanks and support the Queen to be royal crazy. all on my team is bad.
Can you do me a box battles flyer for me on facts? Can you just make me a box battles flyer, just like a just in general box battles, and the winner gets a Jerry Giraffe.
What is a Jerry Giraffe?
You know the 1,000 coin gift.
Yeah, the long brown and white something.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do the little box battles in it, so everyone comes over there. The first to 5K wins. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's
Girl,
go.
I want in the USA. Girl, I went in the USA. What that mean, Clinton Wallace? What does that mean, though, fam? What does that have to do with you clicking the orange hearts, darling? And artists just don't hear my word crazy. Click the orange heart where my name is and becomes the word crazy. Girl, I want in America. What that mean? What that have to do with the arts me? In our art.
Guys, come in, my team. Come in, guys. Tap up the screen, guys.
What you about, though, fam?
Tap up the screen, send a gift and don't be mean, guys. Come in.
You want me to come to Trinidad? I want to come to. She want to sing. You to sing. She want you to sing. You say, I think, sing. She want me to sing. Oh, she don't want to click the orange heart. I want you in the USA. Oh, we are saying I have no time for the orange heart. So send for me then.
Where's PB with the rose? Thank you very much.
Send for me, darling, and take me to the USA where the big apple is. Okay?
Yeah, come in, guys. Send me there. I want to go to New York.
I want to New York. New York. We don't have no price. Come on, the team. The next, Jesus Christ, 5 minutes time of the match. This is going to be the last game with me and that.
What dreams were made of. Let's go. PB.
Match time. Come on, my team. Come on. You need to cool down. Then it's been a send for me America yet Clinton Wallace. And you got to tell me some need for cool down. So you want me to come? Nobody want you send for me. Don't serve for me. Me have to come over the add plus tax. I am the queen. What do you mean I need to cool down? If me cool down, nobody can deal with me, darling. Me have to stay hot and relevant. What do you mean by cool down? Life goes on. Clinton, don't bother send for me. Nobody want you to ticket on your visa.
Hey, Queenie, I'm fixing everything, you know, guys. Okay, and just plan match with Queenie, so, you know, she busy tomorrow. She there with Pampute tomorrow, guys, so cannot buy.
You want to book there? What are you not trying about, though? What have I done here, Queenie? How are you?
Sniper team.
Oh, I'm fighting, though, Queenie. They're troubling me, you know.
Thank you, everybody, supporting, tapping the
Somebody
screen.
said,
We got TB, Shandy, and G, Lulu, and Essie.
that hot girl, top girl, never flap girl. Sting and winner make the place light up. If my cool that couldn't go on, let me make you hear the song. Look like you don't hear a song, say. Shh. We don't know how much time. No, where somebody may play a match with them. No. I time for match
Good luck, yeah. Good luck, little more.
Let's up that till we catch up. Come on, my team. Where is Princess now? Match time. Match time. Princess, where are you?